Hello everyone, this video is regarding CCT 6 for the classes 6th to 10th class. It's a practice test which should be taken by 6th to 10th class students. The details of this test are as follows. Time is 1 hour 30 minutes and the number of questions to be attempted is 30. Before attempting the question and before attempting the test, the basic details needed are the school name Kendriya Vidyalaya Nalgonda and school UDIS code. Our UDIS code is 362-908-903-06 and the link to this test is https://bit.ly/cct6_kb. I will show you a demo to write this practice test. Enter this URL in any browser. Already I have entered the URL bit.ly/cct6_kb. By clicking on this, it will open a Diksha portal. It may take a minute to load the content. You can see the heading CCT practice_kb. It is meant for KB students. Now by clicking on the play button in middle, loading your content. Here we need to fill the basic details of the student and the school UDIS code, and we can proceed the test. Once all the 30 questions are attempted, and the most important is all the questions are attempted, at the end you will get a final result. At that time you need to take the screenshot and you should submit to your class teacher. Okay, do remember, after completion of all the 30 questions you need to take, before submission you should take the screenshot and it's sent to the class teacher. Okay, this is the, I'm clicking on the next button about the CCT practice terms and conditions. Here I should enter the details. Participant class, I'm assuming 8th class student. UDIS code 362-908-903-06. School name, medium of language English. After filling all the details, click on next. There are 7 units with 30 questions. Total 90 minutes to complete the quiz. Okay. We should not click on the menu button. Do not click on the menu icon. You will find the countdown timer once the exam begins. If you want to expand the question, we can click on this symbol. If you want to proceed to the next question, and if you want to deselect the marked answer, you will find in the bottom left corner. If you want to go to the previous question, you can click on this. Click here to enlarge the image. This option, some questions can be answered with the help of images. Once we open the images, we can know complete question. Based on that only we can solve the questions. This is a passage given why it is a pen drive. If you find in the top left corner, you are having a enlarge image button. If you click on this, then you will have the image. Now what will be the first option second option in the second image, second and third option in the second image, and what is answer for fourth in the third image. Hi PD, your name is quite a dash, isn't it? So what could be the answer? One joke or mismatch, or mismatch or joke. So what are the four options which are correct? Either A, B, C or D. Okay, again, I feel like your name is quite a joke. Let us assume option A is joke. Second, to know the answer, you have to dash that there is not a single feature in dash. Okay, I feel third option is common, and second option is guess. Like this, I feel like D could be the answer. I just select on the D and I am proceeding it to the next. Okay, again, second question is also having an image. We need to enlarge it, understand, we need to fill the blanks with the given answers. Okay, don't remember to take a screenshot just before submitting the final test and submit it to your class teacher. Thank you.